Good evening, guys. Can you all hear me? Someone quickly confirm. Okay, let's start. So, guys, I'll just give a recap of the last class. Okay, whatever we did last class, I'll just give a recap of it. Okay. So, guys, we started introduction to accounting. Okay. So then last class I explained you all what does accounting mean. What's the definition of accounting? We say it's a process where you provide information to whom? To interested parties so that they can make decision. Guys, is it lagging? Is it lagging? No, okay. Okay, guys, please check your connection as well. Okay, unless more than 2 or 3 students say, I will assume your side there is a problem. Okay. So, guys, what is accounting? We say where it's a process where you provide information to whom? To interested parties so that they can make decision. So, guys, providing information to interested parties to make decision is the main objective of accounting. And then we studied sub-objective like to find the financial performance, financial position of the business, for legal requirements, and to organize financial activities. Okay, so then after that we studied the stakeholders, the people who are interested in your business. We have divided it as internal and external. Internal people are the ones who are inside the business, who are internal to the organization, while external are the people who are interested in your business, but they are outside the business. Okay. And then, guys, I explained you what's a transaction and what's an event. Okay, so transaction is where you exchange resources between a business and another party. You are you're exchanging resources. Guys, remember I told you it's two-way, not one way. That means, guys, if you want to get something, you have to sacrifice something. When there is a transaction, to get something, you have to sacrifice another thing. For example, in order to buy goods, you will get goods, but you have to sacrifice your money. It's a transaction. Guys, events is one way. Okay, events is where we sacrifice something, but we don't get anything on behalf of that. Maybe let's say, guys, we actually sold goods to a debtor, a customer. But the customer does not pay money. He becomes bad debt. When the customer does not pay money, we call it a bad debt. So then, guys, that is called an event. Or maybe, guys, there is a stock loss where your goods have been damaged due to fire. You cannot use it anymore because you have to sacrifice something. Here, you don't gain anything. You just have to sacrifice only. We say it's an event. Okay, so in accounting, guys, when you're writing anywhere, you will write business, transactions, and events. You write both together. Okay, so guys, we started the 5 elements of accounting. That is asset, liability, equity, income, and expense. These are the 5 elements of accounting. Okay, so then we started, what does an asset mean? Okay, we said there are 3 main characteristics for an asset. It's a resource controlled by the business as a result of a past transaction and event, and guys, which will generate future economic benefits. These three characteristics are very important. When they ask you in the exam, what are the characteristics, you can give it in 3 points. But if they ask you what is the definition, give it as a sentence. Understood? So guys, after that we studied Sorry about that, guys. There was a power cut. Okay, there was a power cut, so I had to change it. That's why I took that. Okay, guys. So fine. Guys, this is first class. I'm just doing the revision here. We studied started what is an asset. Okay, current assets, and current assets gives long-term benefits. Okay. Okay, so we say, guys, non-current assets, they are long-term assets, while current assets, we say they are short-term. Okay, non-current assets are long-term, while current assets are short-term assets. Okay, what does that mean? That means, guys, non-current assets will give you benefits for more than 1 year, 12 months. You get benefits for more than 12 months. But if it is a current asset, it is going to give benefits either we say within or less than 12 months. That is 1/5. Current asset examples we studied: land, building, machine, motor vehicle, furniture, and fittings, equipped on current asset. As I explained those last class, right? The example. Guys, can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me now? Yeah, okay, fine. Sorry, guys. Now there is a power cut. Because of that only the connection is, there is a problem. Okay, now see, guys, I taught you the examples of non-current asset, right? I taught you the examples of non-current asset. Now I have to start only current asset. So, guys, current asset, listen carefully. I'll be explaining you one by one what does that mean. Okay, if you want, write it down in your own words in your writing book. Okay, first of all, guys, stocks. Guys, stocks means your main purpose good. It's the trade good. Okay, we say it's the trade good. There are three terms. You can either say stock or you say trade good. What is the third term? We say inventory. Inventory. All three are the same. Now, guys, let's say you are a stationery business. You have started a business to sell stationeries. Okay, you have started a business to sell stationeries. So you buy stationeries from a supplier and then sell it to your customers. Not only that, let's say you buy machines, you buy buildings for your business use. Now tell me, guys, what is your trade good? What is your stock? Is it machines, building, or, guys, is it going to be the stationery? What do you think? Everyone, send me the answer through the chat box. What's your trade good? Guys, trade good means your main purpose good. Why did you start the business? You started the business to sell stationery. So guys, your trade good will be stationary. Guys, whatever you start the business for, the purpose of why you started the business, that is what your trade good is. Now, I started the business not to buy and sell machines. No, guys, I started the business to sell stationery. So my trade good will be stationery. So guys, I hope you all are clear what does stocks means. Stocks means goods. Sometimes they say trade goods, sometimes they use the word inventory. So guys, you don't buy goods in order to sell it for more than 12 months, right? You try your best to sell it as soon as possible. So that's why we say it's a current asset, because it will give benefits less than 1 year. Less than 1 year. Then the next one, trade, yes, Azha, trade receivable. Another term for it is debtors. Debtor. Guys, you need to know the similar term. Debtors. Who are debtors, guys? Debtors are the people after you have made a credit sales. Now you make a credit sales, no? So when you make, what does credit sales means? Credit sales means you're selling your customers, telling them to, they are telling, I will pay you the money later. For example, I am selling Akif my goods. Okay. After I sell goods to me later, so Akif is my debtor. Akif is my debtor. So guys, in the future, Akif will give you money. So it's going to be a future benefit. But guys, I tell Akif, you have to pay me within 1 month. I'm not going to tell him to pay me after 1 year, right? Because you sell goods to earn money quickly. I said, because you're selling 12 months. So if I sell, okay, when you make a credit sale to a, whom do you create? Whom do you create, guys, when you make a credit? Guys, can you all hear me? Okay, guys, say here, when you make a credit sales to a customer, whom do you create? Whom do you create? What do you call that person? You're selling, you're telling the money later. So you, okay. Guys, can you all hear me now? Can you all hear me now? Guys, what I'm thinking is, because of power cut, no matter I have internet connection, it's not working properly, guys. The only thing I have here is to shift the class, to 7 o'clock. Are you all okay with it? Shall I check? Okay, 7 p.m.